to Lake Math. Today we're going to do systems of equations. System just means we have two lines. Now, if we have two lines and they're parallel, they never touch. The solution is where they touch. So parallel lines means it's no solution and it's inconsistent. No solution is the same as inconsistent. This is just some fancy way that the math book people like. Why? I don't know. They like bigger words. Now, if your lines hit once, right where they touch, that is your solution. And they touch in one spot, so there's one solution. So this one's consistent. Consistent means there is a solution. And independent means that there's only one of them. Now, if I have two lines and they just happen to be on top of each other, they're the same line, that means I got infinite solutions because they touch everywhere. So that means that here, 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 and here are all solutions. So it's consistent because there's a solution. It's dependent because it's infinite solutions. So your solution depends on where in the line you are. Now, we can solve systems of equations with a lot of different ways. You can graph both lines. This is on a calculator usually. And wherever they touch, that's your solution. We can do substitution. We can do elimination. And on the TI Inspire, we can just type in the equations and it'll tell us the answer. I'm going to spend a fair amount of time on these. Not much time on that because it's just super easy. This is super easy too, but I'll show you how to do it on the Inspire. Each method always works, so when you know your favorite, you can always use that one. Now, I will warn you on the TSI test, the SAT test, the ACT, these questions are only going to be in the no calculator section. So you need this for college tests. Also, substitution and elimination. There's a lot of stuff during the time that I teach math where I'll straight up say the only time you're going to use this is in this particular class right now. Substitution and elimination are both really useful if you're doing any kind of science degree in college. If you're going to end up in a calculus class, you need to be good at these two things. So, our next one, we're going to go into those in more detail, and eventually I'll talk about graphing and calculating.